Welcome back. Just to continue on the MSI review, when playing Indiana Jones, I mentioned in the previous video that Indiana Jones performed very well, like 60 to 70 FPS on path tracing, and it's doing well. It was in actually Egypt location. But oh boy, I was wrong. I thought it was stable on that frame rate, but when I arrived in this location, I was wrong. Unfortunately, or in a bit fortunately for me, in the village, I'm getting around 50-ish FPS. Max settings, DLSS performance. Which is, I thought it was good and I was happy with it. But what quite disappointed. But yeah, I know the Vegetation is having problems when it comes to path tracing. All of this race and everything, trying to render everything at the same time, which I was expecting that. Well, so far it's doing well. So in performance, you will see it's 55 FPS, which is okay. When changing modes, there were some hiccups, but it was okay. So now I'm getting around 45-ish to 50-ish, uh, which is still playable, still good, everything smooth. I was actually amazed. It's still okay. I was happy again. Um, yeah, everything was good. Correction, this might be a bug. I have encountered a similar problem on another level that I just restart the game and the quality works fine, but the FPS went a bit down. Just a correction. Yes, the VRAM was full based on the statistics, but I believe this is just a bug on this current what you're seeing in your screen. Yeah, that bug confirmed my theory. So as you notice here, I changed the the settings of the resolution back to performance. It worked well, which is great. I thought everything was okay. So just keep moving, testing everything, okay. But notice, when I change it, I was trying to show you the performance here using the frame generation. So I put it to 2x. Nothing happens. The FPS still the same, 46, 49. So I was wondering, what's happening here? Then I just decided to change or to do the restart now. But I didn't try Unfortunately, the DLSS quality, which I'm pretty sure it will work if I just restart the game. So after restart, we're still in DLSS performance. Yeah, you can see the FPS went up. It's now correct showing 100 plus FPS using frame generation 2x. Which actually the quality and the gameplay and the smoothness really was really smooth. Unfortunately, YouTube cannot capture this, but when you see it in your monitor, it's very clear, very smooth. So I also decided just to use the 4x as well. Um, but unfortunately, I didn't configure my monitor properly, so I have a lot of screen tearing because I didn't configure the monitor to use the FreeSync or the AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, which my monitor is actually supporting. But yeah, in this it was actually smooth without me configuring that. It's okay, but I noticed some screen tearing when I was recording this. But on the latest gameplay, when I configured the monitor properly, it was showing much better and less screen tearing. It was a very smooth gameplay. Yeah, here was the footage I got. I have 100 plus FPS. When I thought this was the worst performance area in the entire game, oh boy, I was wrong. Here are my current settings. I just went it back to DLSS performance without frame generation, which what I preferred playing with. So here just a reenactment what I did when I first went outside. I was really disappointed, and you will know soon why.
Oh, what have you been up to, Jones? Did you ask Sunan?
I did, and I believe the stone is in Wat Mahatat.
What?
Mahatat, correct.
Oh, good.
Yeah, here look, from 45 I went back to 35. A 10 FPS drop in performance just because I went outside. Oh boy, I was mad. Just imagine what's going in my head. I have a new laptop with a 5080. Oh, and my laptop was actually on a performance mode. Oh boy, 35 was not acceptable. I was really mad, like what I'm doing with the shotgun. I was really hoping I have a shotgun. But I decided just to throw it away. It was really annoying. Um, So I just decided to play around with this configuration for a bit, trying here. Maybe there's a bug, maybe it's just the area. But FYI, I tried to restart multiple times. Same performance every time. Well, this was a very disappointing thing. So I did some research. When I say research, I mean YouTube mode. And oh boy.
Go into the acceleration structures. It does require a lot of video memory to just fit all the trees in there.
Like the jungle specifically is one of the things where we were supposed to be done, and then we found that there was a particular place in the game where gathering of the jungle was like 32 milliseconds. So it's okay, we have to fix this. It's like, okay, we're supposed to be done tomorrow, but if we have to, we had the like 2-day buffer. Okay, we're using that buffer to fix this problem.
Yeah, I think also in the game there is a setting called Vegetation animation quality, which has a few different settings there, and especially with Machine Games could probably speak to this more, but especially with full RT, you know, that can actually improve performance quite a bit if you're looking to optimize performance.
That setting is gonna help you a lot if you want to reach 60, definitely.
So speaking of VRAM, obviously path tracing increased the VRAM requirement for the game. I think the official recommendation is 12 as a baseline. And
So just imagine what I did. I went inside the game. I went to the settings. And I definitely turned it off. And yes, it was quite a change. And I was very happy. I just looked that up. And FYI, the video was actually talking about 4090, and they're experiencing that kind of problem. So I was relieved to know I'm not the only one having this problem. Notice the FPS, what will happen now. Because I turned it off, it went above 60. Well, 60-ish. But it's way good enough for me. But there were some glitches. I think this is because of the game. It has nothing to do with the settings. I'm not sure what that problem is. But yeah, here are the different modes when I tested the vegetation settings. Again guys, thank you for watching. I hope we learned something today on this game. But oh boy, this game is really masterpiece for me. Especially I growing up with Indiana Jones, and the game actually captured all the essence of Indiana Jones. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying to do more of this kind of videos. I hope you enjoy, and happy holidays.
You doing okay?
I'm just not used to this.
Don't worry. I know how to drive this thing.
Sitting in this boat feels better now.
Good. Got a feeling we'll spend some time there.
Really? Madre de Dios.